Today we were invited by local fishermen to see what real night fishing is all about. It all starts at Chalong Pier at noon. Here we met our fishermen and go to get on the boat. It must be said that there were no tourists on board. It is all exactly the locals who decided to catch big fish. They say that it is at night you can catch really big fish. We set off towards the island of Racha. The first hour of fishing we cooked with Nastya. Only after that we threw our rods. Just to check, I guess. We didn't catch anything big, but we caught some small fish. The captain said that we will catch big fish at night. We continue our way to Racha Island. Now we start trolling. Several times it seemed that luck was in our hands, but each time the fish left, although once we still managed to catch something worthwhile. About 2 hours later, we arrived at the island of Ratchayai. Here all the fishermen had already taken fishing rods, and it started. But again, nothing big was caught, although we had already caught a dozen of small fish. The captain again decides to put the rods on trolling, and this idea succeeded. There were enough attempts, but luck went to us with great reluctance. And then evening came, we lit the lights, and our fishing continued with a short break for a Thai-style dinner of rice and fried fish. All night we cast our rods hoping for big fish, but unfortunately never caught anything. This is night fishing, so if you are an avid fisherman and want to experience all the delights of your favorite activity, know that there is also such a thing in Phuket, and we'll see you in the next issue.